General, you were the Minister of Police when Nathaniel Julius, a Down syndrome little boy, was brutally shot and killed by police. After 4 years, there's still no justice for Lokis. General, is the reason for this because there's corruption in the police and the judiciary?
Chairperson, good morning, Honorable Member. Chairperson, I was asked if Mkhwanazi is the first one who made the allegations against the system, not just the police. And I said he was not the first one. Actually, the first that I know was a judge, Judge Tulare, and I